She bad. Louis V on her. She bad, she bad. Michael Kors sexy. She bad. Got her tote bag. She bad. Budget ballin' drippin'. She bad. Louis V on her. She bad. Michael Kors sexy. She bad. Got her tote bag. She bad. Budget ballin' drippin'. She Trisha Nicole fit. When she walk, you see all hit. She making her own drip. She take maintenance on all tips.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Trisha Nicole and this is my closet. So y'all know I've been out here balling on a budget. I've been giving myself $70 a week to survive on. And yeah, so this week I chose to use my $70 towards my nails. So I didn't have enough in the budget for my lashes. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. My lashes on a budget. How did I get my nails done with $70, you ask? Well, what I did was last week I chose not to spend any of the $70. I put the 70 with the 70, which gave me $140, and my nails were $127, which left me with $13. So your girl did good this time. So yeah. So y'all, I'm about to hip y'all onto some ballin' on a budget game, okay? These right here, they are press-on lashes, pre-glued clusters, easy to apply, real inexpensive. So yeah, let's get to it, okay? Let's get to it. So y'all, the brand that I use is I Envy. It's spelled with the I. They're mink lashes, and like I said, they are pre-glued cluster lashes. They come in 3 different lengths. You can get it in a kit where it'll come with the applicator, but I'm gonna use my applicator because my applicator, I can manipulate the lash a little better with my personal applicator. You can get this as well. This is glue, and it goes on like mascara, and it helps the lashes to last a little longer. I'm not going to use this time because I only want them to last for at least a week, but this will make them last for like 10 days. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe off our natural lash. I got to be careful because I applied eyeliner to my eye already. So I got to be kind of careful, but I want to kind of like get the oils off of my lash, you know. Let's do it like that. Just get it off real quick. Any oils on there? So let's open the box. We can get a up close look at the lengths. We're gonna do the 14s. And yeah. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're going to grab the lash, but you're going to be careful because you don't want to rip the cluster. So you're going to take your time and grab, oh, there we go, the lash. What you want to do is you want to take the lash and lay it on your natural lash. You don't want to put it on your waterline. And after you lay the lash, you want to press it down. You can use the applicator to press down, but I usually use my finger. Okay. And you just apply them across. And like I said, I'm probably going to use the 12 and an enter. But yeah. So let me get done.
Like her Chanel to be bought, her shy be fresh. Her vanity makeup be best, her better is better than less. Pick me, stay looking a mess. Offline or online, she gang. She paint them a picture, no name. Seduction be coming, they can't spit when they talking, they lame. She never submerging, no jam. Lottery ticket, she flame. Haters stay looking for fame while dragging her name in the game. She bad. Louis V on her. She bad. Michael Kors sexy. She bad.
That's one eye without the 12. I'm gonna put the 12 in. Put a 12 on there. Let's see what it do. You know what? I'm gonna use my other mirror because I have another mirror. This one is too cutesy. I'm gonna use this one. Has extra strength magnetizing, so I can kind of see a little better. So yeah, grab that 12 again. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brush, my spoolie little thingy, and I'm gonna try to brush some of these up so it won't go in my eye. So like it's going in my eye. And that's one eye. I decided to switch out the 14s for 16s. I like them better. We're gonna do this other eye and then we done. Like, let's go. Like I said, take your time. This is a 16.
She bad, she bad. Budget ballin' drippin'. She bad, she bad. Louis V on her. She bad, she bad. Michael Kors sexy. She bad, she bad. Got her tote bag. She bad, she bad. Budget ballin' drippin'.
So what do y'all think?
She super thick.
Yeah, we stayed on a budget this week. We got our lashes done. They look cute. They look real cute, right? And yeah, we balled on a budget. So I'm about to end this video right here. Thank you for viewing. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you hype this video up. Hype it up. And until next time, deuces.
Trish's Closet, are you locked in?